Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are all fine today. Our subject is maths and today's topic is count the objects and match with the numbers. This is the numbers 1, 2, 3 and this is the objects. Count the first object 1, 2, 3. How many balloons are there? 3 balloons. Okay, where is the number 3? This is the number 3. Match the number 3 with the balloons. Next picture is sun. How many sun are there? One sun. Match the picture with the number 1. Now the next picture is flowers. How many flowers are there? 1, 2. Match the flowers with the number 2. This is the number 2. That's all for today. Thanks for listening. Allah Hafiz.